When it comes to backpacking, having the right gear is crucial. And one essential item you need is a mess kit. Here's what a backpacking mess kit should include: cookware, a lightweight pot or pan for cooking meals outdoors. Alternatively, if you only plan to boil water, integrated products like the Jetboil are popular. Eating utensils, a durable, lightweight, and easy to clean fork, spoon, and sometimes a knife, along with a bowl or plate. Less is more. Consider a versatile spork with a long handle. Shorter prongs won't break as easy, and longer handle can reach the bottom of your pot or dehydrated food bag. Remember to bring a little nature-friendly soap to clean up after. Bottle and cup. Stay hydrated. You may prefer a bladder on the trail, but you'll want a lightweight bottle at your campsite. To stay warm at night, you may want a hot drink. In that case, you'll want an insulated cup or mug with a handle. Storage bag. Keep everything organized and separated from your other gear using a storage bag. We prefer easy-to-clean mesh bags so you can always see what is inside, but small stuff sacks work too. A mess kit is compact, lightweight, and designed for outdoor cooking and eating. It's a must-have for backpackers who want to enjoy a delicious meal on the trail. From all of us at Backpacking Llama, happy trails!